Привіт!
Hello! In this bite-sized lesson, you'll master some easy, fun Ukrainian that you can use straight away. Let's get a few drinks. My water is...
Моя вода. Моя вода.
Got it?
Моя вода.
Guess what moya kava means?
Моя кава.
My coffee.
Де?
Means where?
Де моя кава?
Means where is my coffee? So how do you ask where is my water?
Де моя вода?
In Ukrainian, nouns have gender
Вода,
and
кава.
are both feminine. That's why it's
Моя вода, моя кава.
because moya is the feminine word for my. The words for juice and tea are both masculine words in Ukrainian. Tea is
Чай.
my tea is
Мій чай.
juice is
Сік.
my juice is.
Мій сік.
How do you say where is my coffee? Use moya.
Де моя кава?
Where is my water?
Де моя вода?
And what about where is my tea? My chai. Remember, we're using
Мій.
where is my tea, please?
Де мій чай, будь ласка?
So, how do you say where is my juice, please?
Де мій сік, будь ласка?
Where is my water?
Де моя вода?
Where is my coffee?
Де моя кава?
Where is my tea?
Де мій чай?
Where is my juice?
Де мій сік?
In Ukrainian, there are also neutral nouns like wine and beer. See if you can guess which is which.
Моє пиво. Моє вино.
If you guess that
Моє пиво.
is my beer and
Моє вино.
is my wine, that's very good.
Це дуже добре.
Did you catch the word for my with neutral nouns?
Моє.
This is my wine is...
Це моє вино.
To make it a question, just change your intonation.
Це моє вино. Де?
Means where. How would you ask where is my beer? Is this my beer? Beer is...
Пиво. Де моє пиво? Це моє пиво.
Can you remember how to say my juice?
Мій сік.
So, how do you say where is my juice? Is this my juice?
Де мій сік? Це мій сік.
What about where is my coffee? Is this my coffee?
Де моя кава? Це моя кава.
Now you can ask about
Вода і кава, чай і сік, пиво і вино.
Now we can learn how to answer. The short answers are yes
Так,
or no,
ні.
and it's an easy step to say, yes, this is your water, or yes, this is your tea. All we need are the Ukrainian words for your, so let's learn them. My water is,
Моя вода.
your water is,
Твоя вода. Твоя вода.
my coffee is moya kava.
Моя кава.
What is your coffee?
Твоя кава.
If I ask, is this my coffee? I would ask,
Це моя кава.
how do you think that I would say, yes, this is your coffee?
Так, це твоя кава.
How do you ask, where is my water? Is this my water?
Де моя вода? Це моя вода.
Now, can you answer, yes, this is your water?
Так, це твоя вода.
You already know there are different words for my, So you won't be surprised about the different words for your. My tea,
Мій чай,
your tea,
твій чай.
my beer and my wine.
Моє пиво, моє вино.
So can you guess how to say your beer, your wine?
Твоє пиво, твоє вино.
If you want to make the sentence negative, you use the word ne, which means not. So, це не мій чай
Це не мій чай.
means this is not my tea. How would you say this is not my coffee?
Це не моя кава.
What about that's not your coffee?
Це не твоя кава.
Let's try saying that's not your beer, that's my beer.
Це не твоє пиво. Це моє пиво.
And the last one, that's not my wine, that's your wine.
Це не моє вино. Це твоє вино.
Hopefully we can all find our drinks. Have fun using these phrases. You learning Ukrainian can really make a positive difference.
Дякую.